Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to understand the RNA process. Eukaryotic cells must process the RNA product of transcription, called pre-mRNA, to form a mature, translatable messenger RNA. The first step in RNA processing is capping the addition of a special nucleotide, called 7-methylguanosine, to the 5' end. The second step is polyadenylation. In this processing reaction, sequences near the 3' end of the mRNA are recognized by enzymes that cleave the RNA and add a long tail of A's at the new 3' end of the RNA. A eukaryotic mRNA contains segments, called exons, that code for the protein product, and typically also contains non-coding sequences, called introns. The introns are transcribed along with the exons, but they are spliced out in the third step in eukaryotic RNA processing. The result of these 3 processing steps is a mature mRNA that is ready to be translated. I hope this will be helpful to you. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.